ShuttleSky offer all type of lift repair services in Delhi NCR. We are dealing in lift repair services for the lifts of OTIS, Kone, Schindler, Thyssonkrupp and Johnson. We repair all type of lifts of all MNCs as well as of local manufacturers. We complete this task with utmost care and technical acumen with a team of highly skilled technicians scattered all around the state to ensure minimum response time and maximum reliability by our clients. We are expert in repairing all type of elevators since we have a team of highly skilled engineers who have years of experience of working in these MNCs only. With the availability of a huge number of spare parts in our logistics, we claim to be one of the most prominent and reliable lift repair service provider in the industry. Here are the logos of the brand of which we repair the lift mentioned in the slide. With expertise of repairing elevators of all leading brands in the industry, we offer a way cheaper alternative to our clients with the least hassles and maximum reliability. We have more than 800 satisfied clients from our lift repair services. Have you got a lift to repair? You can reach us now at 9090900215 or you can visit our website at www.shuttlesky.in. Thank you very much for watching.